you probably are not thinking of saving money because most of the time you're sending money back to the Philippines. Ganyan yung kultura natin, tinutulungan natin ang ating pamilya. Pero kailangan mo talaga isipin nyo rin muna ang sarili nyo. Tulad ng sinasabi ng aking partner, kaya nyo magtabi ng mga $2 kada araw lamang. Disiplina lang ho ito. Kasi kung hahayaan nyo umandar ng isang buwan, akong, $2 a day, that's about $60 a month. Kailangan ko yan. I need to send that to the Philippines. But if you put your $2 a day in one place, to be corny about it, if you have a piggy bank and you just put a tune in there every day that you promise not to touch, in 20 years' time, as my friend said, you are going to have hundreds of thousands of dollars in your account that will help you when you retire. Ganun lang mo yan. Disiplina lang mo yan. Kahit na sabihin nyo maliit ang kinikita nyo, wala sa atin magsasabi na hindi ko kaya magtabi ng $2 kada araw. Lahat ho, kahit anong sweldo nyo, kahit minimum wage order kayo, you can save $2 a day. And that's all you need to do to prepare for your retirement.
Exactly. I mean, that's it. I mean, and the reason why we're saying this is because look at the cost of living. Look at the stuff that's going up. Everything's starting to go up. So step one is don't worry about the futures. Put away $50 a month, $100 a month, $2, $3 a day. It's nothing.
Because you see, the problem, like I was saying, is that if you I'm going to put in $50 away every month. At the end of the month, it's painful to put that $50 somewhere because it's a big amount. So that's what I'm telling people, to make it easier, to make it painless. I don't care if you're earning minimum wage or hardly or doing part-time work. You can actually put in $2 a day in your piggy bank.
Easy.
Okay? Easily. Nobody's going to say that they cannot do that. And that would translate, yes, the discipline 20 years from now. In fact, what I'm going to do when I go home today, I'm going to buy a piggy bank for my daughter. She's 18 years old.
Yeah, it's perfect. She's going to take the money from your pocket anyway, so not going to make any difference. But here, let's go to the bigger piggy bank, where we start investing and saving. So step one is make a decision, right? So at some point in your life, you have to make a decision. I'm going to start saving. Now, it's not about saving a lot of money. It's about starting the habit.
You said at some point in your life?
Yeah.
Oh boy, I had several bad points in my life. Oh boy, what do we do with you?
So once you start saving, the second unique thing that you have to do, now listen carefully, come closer, keep saving. Once you start, keep saving. Stop, don't stop immediately. Once you start this habit, don't stop. Imagine you went to the gym the first 3 months, right? You bought this machine.
Okay.
And you are pumping iron like crazy. You're taking vitamins, getting at 6 in the morning, right?
Right.
If you kept on doing it for more than, I would say, 90 days, you'd probably look pretty cool. Most people last 4 weeks. Maybe after the first day you go, oh, my body hurts. You got to stick to it. If you're going to look good, you're going to feel good, you got to stick to the plan. You can't sort of get up halfway one morning and say, man, I got to go to the Philippines. Hey, can I take out the money, my retirement saving, so I can go to the Philippines and enjoy myself today so that I will yearn when in my older age? That's not how it works.